made my first stop motion video. But first, we're going to tell you what we received. Today we are unboxing the Stop Motion Explosion Complete Animation Kit. So in the animation kit, it includes the camera that we are going to use to take all of our pictures. It includes the quick start guide over here. And then it has the software CD. And then it has the book to get you started so you can read and get tips on how to make your movie. So how I made my first video, I used the app. And so for the app, all you need to do is take the pictures and then it makes the video for you. So I took my pictures and then I used my characters, moved them around. I did about one picture for each movement. And then I made the video and then we watched it. And then we decided to up it a little bit. So first I used my Legos to make this little stage so that way they could do their movements on. And then I made my sound effects, so I wrote them down like boom, pow, and then bam. And then I used my characters, like this one here is Space Cop. And then this one here, this is the Alienator. And then I made my background. So for the second video, I used the camera that came in the package and I plugged it into the computer. And then so I took pictures with the camera. And so you can grab your photos. And so I grabbed all my photos and made my video. But this one took me a couple of days to make, and I'm still learning how to put in sound effects. So I just put in music for it. So now it is time to watch The Friendly Felon. So I don't like using the camera because it just takes too long for me. That's just my preference. But I do think you get better pictures with the camera than you do with the app. But I would still use the app more because I just like it better. It's just easier for me, and that's just my preference. And plus it's more accessible to me, and I don't have to like download anything. The app's already there. I don't have to do anything else. I can just take pictures. I would definitely recommend this, but it takes a lot of patience. Like me, I was getting frustrated because it just took so long. So I would definitely do this about 9 and up. I have 3 tips for using this product. Tip number 1 would definitely get your plan together. Always get your plan together. Think about your plan and how you can make your plan better, then do it. Then tip number 2 would definitely have to be like, always make sure your lighting is good because you don't want it to be too dark because then it would just be hard to see your characters' faces. And then tip number 3, just have a good time. And when you need a break, take a break. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to check out my mom's vlog that she's going to post and to find out information about how we used it and how you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!